Hello Airfix fans and welcome back to another episode of Retro Unboxings. We've looked at a few of the kits from the Aircraft of the Aces collection, and this month we have Major Thomas B. McGuire's Lockheed P-38H Lightning. The tooling of this kit dates back to 1972 and the boxing was released in 1989. Let's talk a little bit about Major Thomas Buchanan McGuire, a true ace of the skies. McGuire was an active force in the Pacific Theatre during World War II, and between August 1943 and December 1944, he shot down an incredible 38 Japanese aircraft. All of these victories were achieved in various P-38 Lightnings while serving with the 431st Fighter Squadron, which he commanded from May 1944. The kit we've got here is based on McGuire's second regular Lightning, affectionately named Pudgy. In May 1944, Pudgy carried 17 of his victory markings. McGuire's final victory took place on the 26th of December 1944 when he downed 4 Zeros. Tragically, just days later, on the 7th January 1945, he was shot down and killed. What do you think of the parts in this kit? Would you build it? Well, that wraps up our look at the Lockheed P-38H Lightning kit from 1989. Let me know your thoughts, and as always, I'll see you next month for another retro unboxing.